Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. These products of the gym. نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد. My dear sister and brother, I hope you're well. I want to say today a story of the Abdullah ibn Mubarak radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Who is the Abdullah ibn Mubarak radiyallahu ta'ala? Who is the Abdullah ibn Mubarak radiyallahu ta'ala anhu? He is the best muhaddis, Amirul Hadith, the seeker of the knowledge, and also the best fighter on the battlefield. The world has rarely seen such a great personality. Abdullah ibn Mubarak radiyallahu ta'ala anhu is the best person, was the best person in the world. For some reason, a man was sitting near him, near Abdullah ibn Mubarak radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. After a while, he snatched. You know snatched? Hicked for this type. But he did not say Alhamdulillah. What is the prayer of snatching? Are you know? If you know, write in comment section. Okay, I say Alhamdulillah. The prayer of snatching, Alhamdulillah. But that man did not say Alhamdulillah. In front of a great personality, in front of a great person, but he did not say Alhamdulillah. But he did not say Alhamdulillah. But Abdullah ibn Mubarak radiyallahu ta'ala anhu did not say anything to the man. Subhanallah. He might be ashamed. He might be ashamed. After a while, Abdullah ibn Mubarak radiyallahu ta'ala anhu said how he wanted to know what is the prayer of snatching. My brother and sister, look, he did not say, did not barking to the man, did not say, hey man, why did you not read prayer of snatching? One minute, my brother and sister. Sorry, my brother and sister. Where I have been? Oh, Abdullah ibn Mubarak radiyallahu ta'ala anhu did not bargain with that man. He normally said, what is the prayer after snatching? The man said, Alhamdulillah. Then Abdullah ibn Mubarak radiyallahu ta'ala said, Yarhamukallah. Look, my brother and sister, Abdullah ibn Mubarak radiyallahu ta'ala did not insult the man, and also he made the man act amal. Subhanallah al-Azim wa bihamdi. My brother and sister, so for today Inshallah, see you again in the next video. Until then, everyone will be fine and healthy. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.